Hello, my name is Ferrary. This is audio journal number 1. Well, I saw a lot of different topic what could I talk about, and all of them looks very interesting, but finally I decided to talk carnival. First, I'm going to speak a little about the city. Long time ago, in April 1986, in Chernobyl happened a very tragic catastrophe. Near of Chernobyl were in function some nuclear reactors, and one of the reactors have failed in the system, and this creates a fire, and this fire makes blow up a lot of waste in the environment, and many people die, and a big amount of land became radioactive. It means that nothing can live in there. So as you can see, it's a very tragic catastrophe. It's a very big disaster. And next, I read the story about some people. One of the witnesses of this case was Sergei Vasilovich, and her husband was a fireman. When the husband knew that the fire had burned a big part of the nuclear reactor, and her husband ran to extinguish the fire, and because of that radiation, her husband lost his life. Well, I think that leaves an empty space to this woman, that the loss of her husband's lives. And when you read the story, you feel like he was just doing his work, and he tried to help, and he suffered a lot because he doesn't die in the moment. He went to a hospital, he received some treatments, and finally they can save his life. So it's a very big tragedy. And I read another person's story, Arkady Folin. He wrote about a lot of people that sacrificed their life in order to disarm this nuclear bomb. And some soldiers that work in this nuclear reactor have to do the work that have to be done by robots. That means that they did work that have to be done by a piece of metal. You know how many damage that radiation make to their life. I mean, that soldiers doesn't exist anymore. All of them lost their lives in order to just make the function this nuclear reactor. And I really think that the person that shows us this document want to teach us how dangerous is a nuclear reactor, that a little mistake, that a failed in the system, that a little fire can make a very big disaster, can kill a lot of people. That could, yes, I think that we need the energy from the nuclear reactors. Nuclear reactor is a very effective method to create energy. Yes, it's true, we need it. But in what cost we're going to take the risk to create more nuclear reactors? We can destroy environments, we can destroy animals, destroy life of the people, and do we really want to take that cost just to create energy? I think that today we really need the nuclear reactors. Yes, we need the energy that gives to the hospitals, that give a job to a lot of people. But tomorrow I think we can find other solutions. we can look to other ways to make energy. So in conclusion, I think that we can do nothing today to stop the reactors, the nuclear reactors, because we need the energy. But tomorrow or in the future we can find solutions. We can just stay to saying it doesn't matter that the nuclear waste is going in the rivers or in the oceans or in the earth. We need to find other solutions. We need to find other ways to make clean energy. So that's all, and thanks.